Yo, what's up, yo? It's me again, PJ, yo, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And for today, guys, we are going to have another productivity challenge. So now we are on our day 16. Imagine that, guys, day 16 na guys. And for today, guys, we are going to talk about reassessing your goals. Yon, because diba, we are almost halfway. We are more than halfway through our 30-day productivity challenge, guys. So, how are you guys? Kumusta mo? Are we closer to our goals or medyo we are gearing, we are drifting away? Gumbaga. Anyway, guys, it's not yet too late, guys. So, don't lose hope. So, for today, we are going to talk about how to reassess our goals. Yon. So, anyway, guys, my name is PJ Yo, and for those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe now. So, I'm from Cebu, Bisaya, and I make these videos, videos about mga productivity tips, about money making, about mga money matters, about how to be, how to improve yourself, and daghan sa kong mga videos about travel, foods, and movie reviews, and a lot more. So, wala siya, guys. So, we are now 180 subscribers. Yon. So, thank you very much, guys, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So, for those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe now. So, we are almost 200, guys. So, kaya din na to, guys. So, help me out, guys. We can reach 200 subscribers soon. Yon. So, 20 subscribers to go na lang, guys. 200 na ta. So, hopefully, we can reach that ASAP. Yan. So, anyway, guys, going back to our topic. So, this is now our day 16. Imagine that we are more than halfway through, diba, of our 30-day productivity challenge. So, for today, guys, we are going to talk about reassessing our goals. Yon, diba? So, basically, it's not enough that we set our goals, diba? So, so kutob lang bata sa start, di ba? Usually mo man kasagaran nga may tabo, di ba? From the start, okay pa ta, but eventually towards the midway or halfway through, medyo tagilid na tagamay sa atong mga kining mga goals or sa atong mga gipang target nga ma-achieve, di ba? So for today, guys, we are going to talk about how to reassess. Yon. Kumbaga naman ni it's like in a relationship, kumbaga, di ba, na siya gitawag nga honeymoon stage, then mo sloping down, and so maabot sa point that there will be crisis. Okay, di ba? Yon. So we are at that stage that we are somehow maybe some of you are burnt out, and some of you are feeling na depressed or naiuban nga would like to give up. Yon. So it's normal, guys. It's normal that naata sa stage nga kanang sloping down nga naanata sa stage nga crisis, kumbaga, di ba? So from there, we are going to recover, and ultimately we are going to adjust. And that's why that's what we are going to talk about today, how to adjust our goals. Then from there, we can reach and we can succeed, di ba? So we can finally achieve our goals. Yon, di ba? So that's our topic for today. So there we are going to talk about 5 steps to reassess our goals. Yon, di ba? Para at least smooth sailing hapon tayo, guys, di ba? We are not just good from the start. We can do it until the end of our challenge, kumbaga, until we reach our goals. Yon. So, muna siya, guys. Step number 1 is revisit your original goals. So, we should tanaw na to, guys. We should check kung what did we put in our original goal, di ba? We should revisit it. For example, my original goal was to lose 10 pounds. Imagine that, guys. On my part, medyo tagilid siya. Kaya honestly, murag na-gain na noon ko gamay, di ba? So, medyo losing end gamay sa akong goal, ha? That's for my case. But, depende sa inyo, guys. Hopefully kamo, smooth sailing mo, and you are positive, going to that direction that you will achieve your goal. So, ato na siya i-revisit, guys, atong original goal, because we should assess if that goal is still relevant for us. That we are still passionate about achieving that goals, di ba? Because as we kaning si Tawani, as we go with our day-to-day life, as we grow old the bad. I mean, as we grow, and of course, we change, diba? So because our priorities, our plans would somehow change, diba? Because, diba, change is the only constant in this world. Yun. Anyway, guys, let's revisit our the original goal if it's still relevant. So we should ask the question if kaning a goal is it still aligned with our priorities, with our plans, di ba? If yes, guys, so continue lang ta guys, continue lang ta sa ato ang goal for that, because it's still kaning we would still want to achieve that goal, yon, di ba? But if somehow you find that goal nga it's not within your priorities, within your plans, of course, by all means, you can modify your goals, man. You can change it, diba? For example, na-change na yung plans nga, instead of working abroad, maybe nag-change yung plans that you would like to stay here in the Philippines, diba? Because we are one. Kumbaga, we win as one sa SEA Games pa, diba? Anyway, so, ano siya, guys? This is very vital, man, guys. We should revisit the original goal, and we should be honest, man. We should be honest with ourselves if kaning a goal is still, we would still want to achieve that goal. So let's just be honest, guys, and take note lang, guys. Most of us, if bisan na relevant nga goal, but we find it difficult at a crash out, but don't do that, guys, diba? Okay, it's still relevant to us, although it's difficult. We should still achieve that goal. So we can do some reassessment, guys. We can change some, we can modify, we can change some kani mga ato techniques, diba? So, muna siya, guys. So, that's the step number 2, guys. We should evaluate our techniques, diba? Initially, when we set up our goals, we had this kani mga steps, kumbaga, mga step by steps, diba? Kung how we can achieve that goal, kumbaga, diba? So, we wrote it down, if you have written that before, diba? So, let's evaluate those techniques, guys. Maybe from the start, those techniques would, we thought that they would work, but eventually, as we go along with achieving our goals, we may find out now, oh, it's not that effective, diba? So, we should evaluate those techniques, guys, and eventually, as we go along with reaching our goals, we can find mga better ways or better techniques, yon, diba? So, for example, in my case, guys, I would like to lose weight. I would like to lose kaning 10 pounds, but akong gi-revisit, akong gi-reassess, akong kaning techniques for achieving that. So mostly, akong technique was just kaning exercise lang ko daily, and sadly, wala ko naka-achieve exercise daily. So, I can revisit that, guys. I can evaluate and add more techniques. So, this time, guys, I'm adding kaning technique nga diet, di ba? Pwede ito mga intermittent diet or keto diet, depending on kung asa ta maangay, or we can add some more exercise, di ba? So that's the point of our step 2 is kana evaluate kani atong techniques, if it's still relevant, if it is still effective, or depende, guys. So we can add more techniques or we can modify, so i-check lang ninyo inyong mga techniques, guys, if it's still if still effective, still working, di ba? If not, so daghan pang pamamaagi, guys. So mag-brainstorm na sa mo, guys, unsay mga possible techniques or possible steps that you can do to achieve your goal, di ba? Another example, guys, if your goal is to be debt-free, meaning mawa na mo sa kaning utang, di ba? Ma-pay out ninyo tanan ninyong debts or inyong utang. So maybe lacking ta sa steps, maybe one of the ways siguro there is we cut our credit card, di ba? Drastic measure, kumbaga, nga putlo na tong credit card, di ba? So, mo na siya, guys. Revisit the techniques if it's still effective. If not, change, modify, and there are a lot of techniques out there, guys, that you can use, di ba? Kumbaga. So, mo na siya, guys. Pas-pasan ta, guys, di ba? So, nanata sa step 3. So, after kaning i-evaluate natin techniques, of course, we should also adjust our timing, di ba? So, possibly atong timing or atong timeline for our goal is very short, kumbaga. So, we should change, guys. Maybe 30 days to lose, example, to lose 10 pounds, diba, is too much. So, we can adjust the timeline, guys, because what is more important, guys, is kaning we enjoy this kaning journey, kumbaga, di ba? Kung napay quote nga, it's it's not the destination but the journey, di ba? So mao na siya, what really matters is kani atong journey towards getting to our goal. We should be kaning we should feel good, kumbaga, di ba? So in the right time, we will eventually achieve our goals, diba? So, more important, guys, that we should be happy. We should be, it should make us feel good, kaning journey towards achieving our goals. So, mo na siya, guys. Let's reassess. Maybe, this is a good time to slow down. Kumbaga, slow down ta, guys. Yan, chill ta, guys. Maybe it's time to relax, diba? Kung matad pa sa kanta, diba? It's not time to make a change. Just relax. Take it easy. You're still young. Yun, di ba? So, sample lang na, guys, ha? Basi mga-copyright na sa kaning sa copyright sa music sa ning YouTube for singing that song. Anyway, guys. So, mo na siya, guys. Step 3 atong ikuan, guys, if ang timing, if it is still feasible or possible pa ba nga we can achieve our goals in 30 days, ha? Maybe you can modify it, maybe in 6 months, diba? Or 3 months, I can lose 10 pounds of weight, diba? So, muna siya, guys. So, step 4 na to, guys. Step 4 is kaning track your progress. Diba? So, we should record kuno, guys. We should record our progress, guys, atong mga achievements and atong milestones. We should put that in our record, guys, so we can be inspired, kumbaga, di ba? For example, ako man gina-track akong weight, di ba? Nag-lose ko 2 pounds, 3 pounds, then nag-gain na sad ko, so we can see our progress, kumbaga, and we can celebrate kitawag ani mga mini victories, I mean, kasi mga mini accomplishment, diba? So, muna siya, guys, it's important also nga atong i-track, diba? If it's not documented, it's not done. Batas pa sa kaning auditing, yun, diba? So, muna siya, guys, atong i-record, atong i-log. You can use kaning even sa atong cellphone, diba? Ato ang laptops, or we can write it down in our notebooks if ganahan mong old school nga way, diba? So, muna siya, guys. So, that's the step 4 is track our progress. Yun. So, step 5 na to, guys. So, paspasan, guys. So, the last step is keep moving. Yun. So, muna siya, this is the most important, guys, diba? We should not lose hope, diba? Kumbaga, ito akong gi-explain ganiha nga naapata sa kaning crisis. So, we should not lose hope, guys. We should reassess our goals at revisit ang technique, diba? Kumbaga, kung asa na ta and what we can change or what we can modify sa itong mga steps, itong mga means, itong ways, diba? To achieve our goals. So, it's normal lang, guys. So, ang important lang, guys, is we keep moving, kumbaga, diba? We keep on striving, we keep on doing our best, kumbaga, yun, diba? So that eventually, we can reach our goals, diba? So, muna siya, guys. I-revisit lang ninyo yung goals, guys, if it's still relevant, if you would still want to achieve it, diba? If you still want, diba? There are many ways, diba? So, walay kaning excuses, no excuses, guys. So we can still achieve our goals, diba? Kung sa kanta pa, guys, diba mo kanta na sad ko, diba? For at least, diba, nakikisaw ato ang video. So, kung sa kanta pa, guys, we should go back to 1, diba? Kung unsa to atong goal. So, 1, diba? Kung sa kanta pa ni Brian McKnight, 1, you're like a dream come true. 2, just wanna be with you. 3, diba? Yun. So, it is really important, guys, kung sa kanta pa, kung sa mga in a relationship or sa love song pa, guys, we should go back at 1, guys, diba? Kung why we are here, diba? Why are you there? Why I mean, why did we have this goal in the first place, diba? Because we have that reason, man. Ultimately, we want, example, for in my case, I want to lose weight because I want to be more healthy, di ba? And be more happy, di ba? More energy, mas happy. So, go back to your step one, guys. Go back at one. Kumbaga, why are you here, di ba? Kung what is your reason? And from there, guys, I know, guys, you can slowly, man, climb up again, di ba? From crisis, you can recover, we can adjust, and ultimately, we can reach our goals. Yun, di ba? So, mawala na siya tong episode for today, guys, is reassessing your goals, and hopefully, you have learned something new today. And of course, guys, please like my video, and of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and daghan pa tayong mga upcoming videos, guys, and hopefully you would stay tuned for that, guys. And thank you very much for watching, and have a good day, guys. And of course, guys, in the Philippines, di ba, keep dry and stay safe, everyone, because we are having kaning typhoon nga si Tisoy, di ba? So keep safe, everyone, keep dry, and God bless you, everyone. And I'll see you again in my next videos. Yo, di ba?